Hello, my name is Francisco Fernandez and I'm a postdoctoral researcher in el Laboratoire de Réactivité de Chimie des Solides in Amiens, France, which is part of CNRS and UPGB. And in DigiCell, I work as a deputy work package leader on the modeling work package. Well, the DigiCell project is working in optimizing the manufacturing process of cell and battery packs, and particularly in my role, we are developing different techniques of modeling in multiple fidelities of the representation that we have in each one of the manufacturing steps, and we introduce experimental data obtained in our laboratory, also in the pilot line, and with that we calibrate and validate the models that we use to replicate the process that is going on in the laboratory. In this case of the battery manufacturing, the digital twin will be like a virtual replica of the physical system that we have in the laboratory or in a manufacturing line, and it's allowing to simulate the process in different conditions and also to monitor and optimize the process, guiding it with the outputs that you can get from the models. In battery manufacturing especially, the digital twin can allow us to monitor the parameters and the properties that we get in the product of each one of the steps of the manufacturing chain. And in that way, with the modeling coupling in real time, we can optimize the parameters to get decided properties in the product of each step, and particularly in the final electrode or in the final cell or pack. And in that way we reach our desired property in a faster way, and we reduce the time that the trial and error approach takes, and in that way we reduce the amount of materials that are used in the exploration of different parameters, for example, that will help in the context of energy storage and also to sustainability. Being part of DigiCell project is a great opportunity to advance in my career as a researcher at this point, because I have a lot of interaction with other European institutions apart from my laboratory, and that also helped me to see how is the work in other universities or in other laboratories or companies that are partnered. So I get like a better overview of what is the state of the art of the battery manufacture in Europe.